In this video, we'll discuss 7 things that many women secretly love, even though they almost never express it directly. If you've been curious about what's really on a woman's mind and what they value without having to say it out loud, then this video is just for you. Make sure you watch until the end, because what you'll learn could completely change the way you interact with women and help you understand them on a deeper level. Before we begin, if this is your first time visiting this channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. Many men find it difficult to understand women. One reason is that women often don't express their feelings or desires directly. Instead, they tend to use subtle cues to reveal what they truly feel. Therefore, if you truly want to understand women, you need to start paying attention to how they think and communicate indirectly. While you might think women will always be clear about what they like or need, the reality is that it's not that simple. There are many things they actually enjoy or find attractive, but they choose not to express them. This could be because they think it's natural, or because they don't feel the need to talk about it. In this video, we'll discuss 7 things women secretly enjoy but rarely admit openly. And at the end of the video, I'll also share one additional, invaluable tip. First, a gentle massage before a romantic moment. Giving a light massage using oil or body lotion can help create a warm atmosphere and ease tension. This simple gesture can strengthen emotional closeness in a relationship. Many women truly enjoy it, even if they rarely express it directly. And when they do, the experience often leaves a lasting impression. Second, subtle and elegant flirting. Many men avoid flirting because they fear rejection or are worried about appearing too pushy. However, women actually appreciate flirting that feels natural, polite, and fun. Sometimes, just a warm smile or a few sweet words are enough to catch their attention. If you're feeling nervous, remember that flirting doesn't have to be complicated. Keep it simple and do it sincerely. Third, gently stroke her hair. This may sound trivial, but for many women, hair holds quite a personal and sensitive meaning. If you haven't done it before, try gently touching or stroking her hair every now and then and see how she reacts. However, make sure you do it at the right time and in the right situation. Touching her hair after a workout is certainly different from doing it in a calm and romantic setting, like sitting together in a dimly lit movie theater. Fourth, place a hand on her back. When you're walking together in public, gently placing a hand on the small of her back can be a small gesture that can have a big meaning. This simple gesture can make her feel comfortable and secure without being overly overbearing. Similarly, putting an arm around her shoulders while you're together or gently kissing the back of her neck can often evoke a strong emotional response. Fifth, make her feel safe and protected. Many women are naturally attracted to men who make them feel secure. Even if she believes that calm is the best way to solve problems, your presence in a difficult situation or the way you confidently deal with someone who is being rude can make her feel appreciated. Deep down, many women enjoy feeling cared for and protected. However, remember not to overdo it and become overly controlling. Sixth, tell her you dreamed about her. This may sound simple, but it actually has quite a powerful emotional meaning. Letting her know she was in your dream can create a gentle romantic atmosphere while making her feel special in a way that feels natural. Seventh, beards on men. Many women find men with beards to be more attractive. In fact, even a thin beard often provides its own charm. According to a 2013 study, men are often considered to be at the peak of their attractiveness when they let their beard grow for several days without shaving it.